My name is Brigadier General Nazim. I have been serving in Bangladesh Armed Forces. I was professor and head Department of Medicine, Armed Forces Medical College, Dhaka. And recently I have gone on LPR. My son Naim Farhan has been suffering from some rhythm disorder of his heart, for which he was getting treatment since last 3 to 4 years. He was on medicine. At one point, his symptoms are not being controlled with drug, and he developed side effects of drug. Well, they call it lone atrial fibrillation oblique flutter. This kind of disease usually occurs when there is a valve problem, when there is a congenital problem, when there is any ischemia or cardiomyopathy. This is a secondary problem to all these things. And at times this occurs without any specific heart disease. Then they call it lone atrial fibrillation. We do not know why it happened in him. It might be some kind of congenital problem, but we are not very sure about it. That is why they call it lone atrial fibrillation. There is no other heart disease. And if we ablate the thing, the chance of cure is almost 100%. And then we consulted Dr. Rafiq Ahmed, who is a very renowned electrophysiologist in America. He is my friend also, and my son was under his treatment. At one point, Dr. Rafiq advised for RF ablation of his problem in the heart. And I asked him that where should I go? He told that you can go to India. But I was reluctant to come to India. And I asked him that it's better if I come to America. Then I mailed to one of my students who is undergoing some training in Singapore. And he checked up with Singapore, and he told me that these are very low volume centers. They get 1 or 2 patients per month. So it will be better if you go to a very high volume center. Then I asked again Dr. Rafiq, why should I go to India? He told me go to Dr. Narasimha Kalambur. He is working in Care Hospital. And I again asked, I want to come to America with my son. He told, had it been my son, I would have gone to Dr. Narasimha. And that point struck me very seriously, and I started searching up who is this Dr. Narasimhan. And there are 1 or 2 guys in Dhaka. They are also doing the same thing. They are doing the ablation. There are 2 centers in Dhaka. They are doing ablation. But the facilities are very, very less over there. They are not very well trained. One Dr. Mohsin, he told, Dr. Narasimha is best in India, and probably he is one of the best in the world. And that is the reason I decided that I should go to India. It is not because of money. Almighty has given me enough money. I could have gone to Singapore. I could have gone to US also. But seeing the profile of Dr. Narasimhan, I have decided that I should go to India. And that is the reason why I am here today. And after coming here, I think Dr. Rafiq, my friend, he is correct. Dr. Narasimha is probably best in India, and he is probably one of the best in the whole world. And I will remain grateful throughout my life to Dr. Narasimha. And regarding this Care Hospital, well, it is a very good hospital. If you ask me about the doctors of this hospital, they are all excellent people. There are excellent people. There is
Dr. Narasimhan,
everybody.
Dr. Abhijit, great people. They are very knowledgeable, very expert in their work. There is no doubt about it.
Yeah. And the nurses are excellent at the same time. You see, I was not only professor of medicine of Armed Forces Medical College, I was personal physician of Honorable President and Prime Minister of Bangladesh also. Because of that thing, I have had the opportunity to see half of the world. I have seen many hospitals like Singapore General Hospital, then your hospitals for special surgery in America, and other countries. I have seen a lot of hospitals. I stayed in hospital for special surgery in New York for 1 month. Well, there is no doubt that they are good, but this hospital is also coming up. Care is a great hospital, I must say, and Dr. Narasimha is a very, very great doctor. They take care of us more than what we expected. There is no doubt about it.
You can say the expertise of the doctors, the politeness of the nurses, and clean environment will make it superior to other hospitals.
Thank you very much.